Welcome back to another video. It is Anise, the Boss Ladypreneur, and yes, we will be doing another video on how to make money online with YouTube videos without showing your face, and this time we will be featuring that second method of how to make those videos without showing your face for monetization, to be in the YouTube partnership program and make money online. So let's get it. Before we get into it, like, comment and subscribe so that you can receive those notifications each time you want to make money online. You will be able to watch these videos. Alright, let's go. Okay, so here we have our second method to create videos online without showing your face. We have a channel named The Relaxed Guy, Soothing Nature Videos. So he creates videos that are to fall to sleep to. So his most recent one, which is playing right at this moment, Fall Asleep to Rain Sounds in New Zealand. So somewhere very close to home for me, and fall asleep to rain sounds in New Zealand countryside. So he's recently obviously travelled in New Zealand, and he travels all around the world recording different sounds of rain so that he can put this on his channel and make money online. So obviously you do not need the technical skills that he has. You can purchase sounds and sound blocks and licensed sound for yourself to create very similar videos for YouTube. So let's check out how much money the Relaxed Guy makes and how much money you can potentially make online as well. But before we do that, let's check out one of these videos and see how simple they really are. Alright, so here we are in one of the Relaxed Guy's videos. Check it out and just see how simple it really is to create such videos. So as you can see, it is purely a sound overlaid with a still image. He has taken sound and recorded it from his travel in New Zealand and just put a backdrop of a cottage that he found during his trip here in New Zealand. So that's how simple it is to create such videos just like his. Let's pause it and head over and see how much you can make when you create a video just like the Relaxed Guy. So here we are in the Socialblade to have a look at what the Relaxed Guy actually makes from his channel, and we will scroll down and you will be very surprised at how well this guy is actually doing. So he started in 2014, so it's been running for about 5 years. He's putting in the work. He has 145 million views total. Also, each of these videos can run up to 10 hours long. So when somebody's asleep, 10 hours is a long time to be gaining view after view for 10 hours at a stretch. So you too can actually create these videos with a little bit of ingenuity and know-how. You can get stock sound bites and music of rain and recreate videos very similar to this. So let's have a look at his stats. 527k subscribers. As we mentioned before, he is making between 1.7k and 27.8k per month, 20.9k and 333.7k per year, and that is an absolutely awesome income. We'll go down to see how much he's making per day, and he is doing roughly 361k views as of today and 330k views as of yesterday. So looking at his earnings, 83 to 1.3k per day yesterday. Looking at that CPM range, he is doing very well. So you too can make these types of videos on YouTube with the right sound and also a image for the background. You could use a video if you liked, but first of all, let's have a look at that calculation for a video that he created. As of yesterday, his total views of 330k. Okay, so we have plugged in his views of 330k for the 4th, and 332, 386k views. We'll divide those by 1,000, and we will then figure out how much he roughly made for the day. So 330,000 views. We'll just quickly run that again. 330 for yesterday, 822. Divide it by 1,000, giving us 330. We will times that roughly by the intermediate CPM of $2, and we'll come up with $661. So I've gone middle of the range, which would give you a realistic income, and that is roughly what he is making per day. $661. Wouldn't that be lovely? We wouldn't even need to go to work, but he's been working for quite a while. But you too can eventually make this type of money on YouTube. So let's look at a few options of how you can also do this. First, we will check out Storyblocks, and then we will look at possibly one other option. Okay, so here we are on a website called audio or Storyblockscom, and I've come straight into the pricing plan for audio, since audio is the most important part of creating videos, just like the relaxed guys. So we're looking at basic audio plan, build monthly is $9, and unlimited is $15, and unlimited all access is $65 for everything listed below. So you've got music, sound effects, loops, 4K footage, After Effects templates, photos, vectors, and illustrations. Whereas when you just have the unlimited audio, it is just music, sound effects, and loops for $15 a month. And for the basic audio package, which is only music, it is $9 a month. So it's entirely up to you. I would suggest the unlimited audio because you need the sound effects and possibly the loops. But check Storyblocks out and sign up if you too want to create videos just like the relaxed guy. This is one of your solutions. So let's go on through to another solution, a free solution, but you will still need to find potentially audio to add to the images and also the video available. We will now head over and check those out. Okay, so here we are over in Pixelscom, your free option to create those images and videos for your rain sound relaxing videos. So here we are, we have a couple, or we have quite a few, 742 potential videos that you could use. Look down and scroll to see what is suitable for you to use in your videos to create those relaxing rain sound videos just like the relaxed sky, and utilize them. All you have to do is you download them. Once you've downloaded them, you give credit to the creator in your tags, titles and descriptions within your YouTube channel, and away you go. So overlay your sounds from Storyblocks or wherever you are choosing to get your sound from to make that money on YouTube and create those videos without showing your face. So that was the second method on how to make money with YouTube videos without showing your face. So I've actually started a series, and that is the third video that I have created now. So please check out the previous videos by clicking on the videos to your right, and also like, comment and subscribe so that you can receive notifications when I upload new videos just like this. Alright, so this was the Boss Ladypreneur signing off. Till next time, peace.